Guys, welcome back to our channel. So guys, today we are going to create this simple sheet metal gusset in Solidworks. So let's see how we do this in Solidworks. I hope you like it. So look the animation view up for this sheet metal gusset. So here we create this part. So basically it is basically used for supporting two plates. So here we create this part. So select file, new, and here we change the background to plain white. Now select the front plane, right click, sketch, and here we create a line. Make sure it is a vertical and horizontal line. So here from this origin point create one vertical line, and now exit this sketch. Again go to the line, and from this origin point create one line up to here. Now go to the smart dimension, select this vertical line and make it 58 mm. Okay, now again select this vertical horizontal line and make it 58 mm. And now exit this sketch, and here we go to the sheet metal, and here we select base plane. So here we make this length will be 100 mm, so make it 100 mm. Okay, and sheet metal thickness will be 2 mm. Bend radius apply for this sheet metal gusset 2.6 mm. So it is good, and basically 2 mm thickness will we use 2.6 radius. And now here we apply the material and make it brush nickel. Okay, here we make it gusset. So select this gusset, and here we select two face. So it will ask position, so make this face, and here we offset from this end point. Gusset distance we can put, so we make it 20, and here profile dimension, so it will be changes according to your requirement. So here I will keep 25 mm up and down side, and here indent width will be make sure it is good for 10 mm is look better. And here we can create a fillet inner and outer, so we make it 2 mm both side. And now here we check the preview, so here we select full preview. Okay, and now we select this one, and here we look, here we create this gusset in sheet metal, and then make it here it's time to make the linear pattern to this. So go to the features, now select linear pattern, and it will ask direction, so select this line, and make, here we select the feature, so simply select this gusset and make the distance 20 mm. Here we keep 4 numbers, so select the number of instances. Again we select this edge, and here we select this feature, simply select this gusset and make it reverse direction, so it comes opposite direction. And then okay, so make it tick this, and here we select okay. Now look how we create this gusset, so it looks very beautiful. Basically it is used for supporting two mounting plate. So look, and here we apply the fillet to corner edge, so make the fillet 5 mm to all this corner. So here it will select separately all this corner edges, so select this one, again select this one, and the last one, so select sorry, it will not selected. Now here we create a sketch. Now go to the circle and create one circle here and this circle. Okay, now go to the here we just we forget this apply the fillet to this corner. So again we edit this fillet. So again we make the fillet here this side 5 mm. Okay, now again select this face, sketch, normal, and here we select circle and create one circle of this face. Now here we select circle and again select second circle, and here we go to the smart dimension, make the circle this radius this diameter will be 6.5. now again select this circle and make it also 6.5 diameter. Okay, and now again go to the smart dimension, select this center point and this edge and make the distance 50 mm. now again select this edge and this center of this circle and make it also 15 mm. now here do one thing, we create a center line to this circle to this circle. So here we create center line to this one and make the relation horizontal. So select this and make it horizontal, so it comes coincident position, linear position. Now again select this edge circular and make it 15. now here we go to the feature, now select extruded cut and make the extrude cut through all. We can put it also linked to thickness. Okay, now select this face, right click, sketch, normal, here we create the circle. So select this circle and create one circle up to here. So again select this circle and make the circle. now go to the smart dimension, select this circle and make it 6.5 diameter. again select this circle and make it also 6.5 diameter. Okay, now again select this edge and center line of this center point of this circle and make it 15. Okay, now again select this edge and center of this circle and make it also 15 mm. now here we create center line from this circle up to this circle. So select this center line and create here and make the relation horizontal, so make it. Okay, now here we edit this sketch and go to the feature. now again we select this center point and edge of this and make it 15 mm. Okay, here we select the extruded cut and extrude up to here we apply in sheet metal. Basically we use link to thickness is better to select. now here look how we create this gusset in Solidworks, so it is look better. So guys, I hope you like it, and please subscribe our channel for more video and project. Thanks for watching.